Basics participated in the CI User contest, and we are very happy that we have won in the category buildings larger than 6,000 square meters with the project Terrace Tower. Terrace Tower is a 110-meter high building in Rotterdam. There are 3 underground floors for parking cars and bikes and 33 floors above the ground for apartments. The dimensions in plain view are variable. The length of the building is decreasing along the height from 100 to 35 meters, when the width of the building is increasing from 20 to 30 meters. The idea is that each apartment has its own terrace. The architecture is then composed of terraces with different lengths. And in addition, the inclination of the building is giving a nice external aspect and creating some challenges for the design of the structure. The design challenges are different for the structure underground and above ground. The design of the underground was really complex for many reasons, such as the use of high concrete grade C90-105, the management of the water and the construction stages. The challenges for the design of the structure above ground are about the second degree effects, the long-term displacement, and the request about robustness. It was indeed requested that the structure is still stable in case of the destruction of a structural element, such as a column or wall, whatever its location in the building. CI was used to model and design the full structure in a 3D model, and specific features were used. First of all, the construction stages were considered in some model to estimate the influence of the stages on the internal forces and on the relative displacements between vertical structural elements. Secondly, the inclination of the building creates an 8-meter long cantilever. The second order effects were checked in CI in order to control the formula proposed in the code. And thirdly, the automatic tools in CI to design the reinforcement were used, and they helped us to save time. This time could then be used for the other important tasks. I became a structural engineer for many reasons. First of all, I like the structural challenges hidden behind the design of a structure. Being an engineer is also working with a team and with different kinds of people. I like that sociability aspect of the job. And at the end, the results of our design and working together as a team make it possible to build structures. It gives us the feeling that our job is useful for the society and that we can be proud of our job.